Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing well. After quite a long time, I'm going to make this video. Actually, in this tutorial series, I will discuss about email. Actually, different type of email tips and tricks, like how you can collect email, how to add signature with your Gmail, how you can do email marketing. Like this stuff. My channel, I actually discuss about web development related and WordPress PHP related video I make always. So, but now this time I have decided that I will publish some other topic also. So uh, I'm going to make this video today. So I think this video is going to be very helpful for you. So let's get started. So in this video I will actually show you how you can add a auto respond email to your email. For example, you have an email and you have set there, then that auto respond email will send to their inbox. So this is called an auto respond set to your email. For example, you can see here is the email address and here is another email. So I will set a auto respond email to this email and I will check by using this email, so that how it works you guys can understand. So let's click on this setting, because I am going to set auto respond email to this email, and then see all settings here, and then scroll down and you can say here is variation respond on, and you can give a subject here. So let's put here out of office and write something here. So like this, you can type here any kind of message. Like this, and I am going to send this one. So we have set this auto respond to their email, and now this one is another email. So I am going to this one. I'm Control C, Control copy, and I'm going to compose a email. Subject. This is on the test mail. Test email. Send. So I have sent a email from this email to this email, and this email I have set a auto respond. So let's see what happened. So this email already sent. Yeah, already sent. Let's click on inbox. So you can see here is a email from this email, and here is also a back email from this here. I mean respond email which we have set. So let's click on it, and yeah, here they are. We have received your mail. Very soon one of our officer will contact you. Thanks for your email. Mail, thanks. Regards Ahmed. Okay, we have set this auto respond email to this email. Okay, so this is this system how you can add the autoresponder email to your email address. Actually, whenever you are out of office, whenever you are busy with another task, but at the time if someone email to your email address, at the time people will get this email instantly. Whenever a user will get this kind of email, they or that kind of person, that kind of people will understand that you are maybe out of office or maybe you are busy with other stuff. So they will understand this. So I think using a autorespond email is showing a professionalism. I think everybody should use this. So this tutorial is all about this email autorespond setup. So I think this is going to be a very helpful video to you. If you guys found a helpful from this tutorial, like, comment, and share. Thanks. See you. Have a